Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? What a day, what a day, what a day. Big old sell off this afternoon. A little bit after the stream, and then poof, down we went, trying to come right back up and undo that candle. Look at that 30-minute candle. We already undid it over here on the NASDAQ. S&P is working on it. We do have the point of control up here at 166.75. All fun stuff. All fun stuff. No major economic news for tomorrow. So all we have to really worry about is any headlines dealing with the Middle East. Other than that, it should be clear sailing. Yeah, a little gap up at the open. Now let's go look at something real quick. What about Intel after the bell? Intel had earnings come out. Let's go look at it. Let's go looky. 5-minute chart. And we'll see the extended hours. Big rocket ship up on Intel. Intel is expected to move plus or minus 11%. And I gotta believe that's probably more than that. Yeah, 20% up on Intel. So, hey, Spaces, good evening. Atomic Trader, good evening. Sods. So, let's go. Last night was the night. The night I took off was, boy, oh boy. We just been ripping so far tonight. Market's been getting it. Nikkei right now is up 355. We have the HSI opening up here in about 45 minutes. So, fun, and some more fun. See if we can find a couple good trades. Get yourself in a good situation for tomorrow morning. That's my goal. Get in a good place for tomorrow morning. Hey, Brian, good evening. So, we shall see. We have the regression channel facing up pretty steep at the moment. Delta is trying to weaken up here, though. You see, we've had Delta divergence going on from there and then even down lower. Should the VWAP would be nice. Hey, that's facts. VWAP's all the way down here at 27,066. So I wouldn't mind seeing that. We could definitely make the case for that. We have oil up tonight too. So the markets are going up and oil is going up. Who is telling the truth? Oil's not up as much, but oil's back at $97. Are we going to see oil starting to break above $100 by tomorrow or even early next week? Oh, you saved it? Oh, usually, hey, Brian, when I usually hit that mode, it's usually like, yep, pull out the credit card, get some new accounts. F-it mode normally does not work out for my trading. But, oh well. We shall see. I put that in wrong. Oh. No, I don't think so. All right. I trade the ES every day too. I trade the ES already tonight. So on stream, I normally trade the NASDAQ because it gives more trading opportunities, more excitement for the stream. But even this morning on the stream, I trade the NQ a little bit. Or I mean the ES a little bit. I trade the ES every single day. Every day. I prefer the ES. It's just a little bit slower and it's not as good for the stream. But I love trading the ES. I do. Now I am kind of curious real quick. And that profile is very thin. Very, very thin. 914 is the point of control. I'm going to give this a shot. Let's see if we can get something. We got the VWAP 27,066. A little bit extended. We're right up into this little zone up here. I like this area. You know, if we're going to get a little rejection, we came into it. I like that zone up there, right around the high from today. So I do like that area. I like it even better when it goes my way. No, I just now went short. Just now. Crude oil's trying to go up. Now, even with the move up that we've had, Nasdaq's up a lot, 179. ES is up 12, but we had the Russell down 2.3 and the Dow's down 47. So, hey Tris, good morning or good evening. Gold touch standard deviation. Oh, let's go. Let's get a little pullback underway. When I say little, I mean ginormous. So we'll see if we can get it going. Get it cracking. We got that point of control from today way down there. VWAP's at 66. So I wouldn't mind getting a run down to VWAP. That'd be pretty nice. I can just keep moving this target down, move it down, move it down, let price come down to it. Get to a point where I can move my stop in the money. Just in case we want to flush. Still have oil trying to go up. So we want to keep an eye on oil. Oil's trying to move up. So they flushed it pretty hard this afternoon. PM opening price. Let's go look at Nikkei real quick. Isn't Nikkei coming down right now? And Nikkei is trying to come down a little bit. Nikkei is off the high for the time being. See if we can break through this little support right here. Break down through there. If we break that support, I'm probably going to move my stop right above here. Is what I'm thinking. Hopefully it makes it down there. Looking around for liquidity. Liquidity looks pretty thin on the books this evening. So not a whole lot on the books. On the ES or even the NASDAQ. Yes, we have an order up here at 183-ish. 131 contracts way up here. Nothing down here below us. Oh, yeah, order right here as well. 160, 168, 179 contracts. All right, just in case we want to come back up, I'm going to try to protect that. I'm going to try to protect that just in case it wants to pop back up on me. Wouldn't mind seeing a full return all the way back down to VWAP. Yes, VWAP is around 71.51. Oh no, I don't know if I believe this is going to come down just yet. Hey, T4 keeps. What's up? What's up? What's up? I'll trail us down a little bit just in case. I don't want to get back too much of the profit in case it comes back on me. I want to set myself up for a good spot for Friday. Last thing I want to do is have a down Friday. That's the worst day of the week for me. All right, I'm out. So at least first trade of the stream, green. Now save a little bit on that trade. So it would have been stopped out where my stop was. So at least I got a little bit more out of it. Move my stop down. I've been struggling in these markets lately. Probably last 2 months now I've been struggling. Today was a good day for me. I had a really good day today. After the stream, I put one more trade on the ES. I went for a pretty decent move, and I got a good chunk of that move on the way down on the ES. It really stinks because we might still be able to see it. We talked about this on the live stream this morning, and I said, now I don't really think we'll get all the way down here towards put support, which we did not. We came a lot closer than I thought we would. Smoked all the way through the 1 day minimum. Let me get this. NASDAQ came down to put support, bounced pretty hard right back up. That's a pretty decent move. Look, from that low to the high tonight, 454 points. You have a 9 count, 9 days in a row. $100 times 10. Nice. Yeah, hey, Raj, car got smoked. Oh, my goodness. Did you get that put spread on? On car? That thing got beat up. Oof. That's massive. Yeah, we're trying to come back down on this NASDAQ. NASDAQ trying to go on down a little bit more. Hey, Bob, what's up? What's up? Hey, so I may not curse on stream. If I'm not on stream, I say all types of profanities at my monitors. I try to censor it out in case people have kids around and stuff. But don't think that I'm not screaming it in my head. And screaming at myself. So it's not fun. Losing is not fun. But hey, it is a part of trading, so get good at it and you'll be way better off. Not being able to accept a loss is bad. And I don't mind having losses, but man, when I'm just doing stupid things. I keep going for these large moves and then the market comes back. I'm up 200-300 bucks, $400 and let it stop me out for a loss. That's not good. That's not acceptable. Yeah, hey, Raj, that's a fact. Your mind is the hardest part of trading. That is the worst. I actually like having losing trades. I like having some losing trades. Let me stress that. Some losing trades. Because that way it keeps you complacent. You don't get, too crazy with it. Keeps you balanced. Where if you just win, you're going to end up over leveraging. And then when you lose, it's going to be really, really bad. So. Yeah, FOMO and revenge trading are two of my demons I fight on a constant basis. Now the FOMO, I am better at not FOMOing when I'm not on the stream. On the stream, it's a lot worse. But that was weird. So we see. Hey, Raj, but I wasn't good with stops before. The stream helped me out with the stops. When I had that one nasty, I think it was a Friday too. I had a big loss on the New York session. I felt like crap all weekend long. I was like, I can't believe I just did that. I did that in front of everybody. Not that there was a lot of people watching, but still, I felt like crap. I said, I'm not doing that no more. Then from that point on, I turned the corner on that. Sometimes you just gotta feel enough pain, then you'll be willing to change. If you're not changing, you haven't felt enough pain. So whenever that pain gets great enough, you will change. So. Oh, I hear the chirping. I hear the chirping. They's a chirping. We have oil up $1.43. Need one big drop overnight. Yeah, we might not get it though. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. We're still right near all-time highs. NASDAQ today made all-time highs. S&P did not. Yeah, we only go up. I mean, the markets do tend to go up more than they go down. That is a fact. So we'll see what tonight brings. Hopefully, lots and lots of wins. So far tonight, one trade, one win. I like that. What is going on here? Let me move this. The YouTube interface give me a hard problem. Give me a hard time right now. There we go. There's we go. Let's go. Let's go. Now again, do they push it back up? You look over here on the NASDAQ on the 4-hour time frame. We're right near all-time highs. The low that we put in today was a higher low. So. Scale down. Hey, Crawford, good evening. I was trying to help somebody with their payout request from their prop firm. I couldn't figure out how to do it, so I was trying to help them out real quick. Oh, we're gonna run up to take out the highs. Playing these reversals. And if you get the reversal right, it can be very rewarding. But, you know. Anyone trying trading with only one Starlink? I don't know. I'm going to be trading in Costa Rica with Starlink. I'm getting ready to buy it. Oh, man. That's funny. Hey, Benjamin. Good evening. Yeah, hey Bob, I saw that in a fishing tournament. Yeah. Second time this year he's been. You trade with Starlink, it's nice. Man, I've got a lot of stuff to take with me this trip. I feel like I'm setting myself up to get robbed. Hopefully not. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I've never been, well, other than my friend fishing with his little PVC pipe and fishing line, I've never fished in Costa Rica. Man, we ate that fish that night. Oh, man, it was so good. Cooked it at his grandma's house. She made homemade tortillas. So we had like fish tacos. Oh, man, it was delicious. So good. So the Russell and the Dow and the red. Let's go see the Nikkei real quick. Nikkei trying to bounce back. So far, this I almost said this morning, this evening, one trade, one win. Nikkei still trying to roll over here a little bit. Keep an eye on crude oil as well. We have a 9 count up here. 9 count coming back into this little resistance zone we have right up here. That shaded area comes off that 30-minute time frame, which was basically the previous high from today. Candle body to the candle wick right up here created this little zone. Hey Raj, I do have a problem still. If I have multiple losses back to back to back to back to back, that's when it gets on my nerves. But just one loss by itself doesn't bother me too much. If I get multiple losses, then I get upset. Los Buenos. Yeah, I've driven by there, but I've never been in there, in the little resort. Let's see. I will tell you, when I was frustrated at work and I would trade, like, oh yeah, watch this. Oh yeah, it didn't work out very well. Did not work out well. Getting mad at the market does not work whatsoever. Yeah, usually when I go to Costa Rica, I'm not staying in high-end stuff. I'm just going there for the waves. We used to go on a budget. Yeah, revenge trading usually doesn't work well. And the thing about trading that's so awesome is 2 days are never the same. So hard. It's challenging. I like the challenge. It's like you're never going to totally defeat the market. Never. Never, ever, ever. Trying to get me to short this. Yeah, hey, T-Coop, I seen that. I watched it earlier. Yeah, and you gotta know which strategy to pull out at the right time. That's the thing. If you think about it, trading should be easy, right? All we do is click a mouse, boop, boop. And you really have 2 buttons you gotta click. Either buy or sell. Buy or sell, that's it. But knowing which one to click is a mother. Which one to click, how many contracts to put on, where to put your stop, where to get out of the trade at, more importantly, where to get out at. That's probably the most important part of it. Where to get out. You get paid when we exit, not when we enter. Like the market did not just pay me to enter that trade. Unlike with options, if you sell a spread, you can get paid to enter the trade. Drives you crazy, Paul? Uh-oh. Apple's got the sports equipment out again. Apple with the sports equipment. Oil's only up $1.01. 101, should I say? Let's go see real quick. I just want to make sure Nikkei wasn't starting to rip. No, hey, believe it or not, I don't mind people that disagree with me. Actually, it doesn't bother me one bit. A lot of times, even if I, so people that know me very well, let's say we both agreed on something, but you made some statement. I would a lot of times will take the other side of the argument just to see how strongly you believe about it and see if you have other beliefs that I never considered. So but don't have the cash. If you don't have the cash to do it, you can't do it. If you don't have the cash to sell the spread, you just simply cannot do it. I mean, on the SPY, all you have to do is have the margin to cover the difference of the strike prices. I mean, with stocks, it's a lot riskier with stocks than the indices, in my opinion. I found in life, the quicker you can assume that you're just wrong, you know, you can usually find the solution a lot quicker. Remember at work, it was pretty funny. So I learned, I'd like to say early on, but it took a little bit. But a lot of times, because you're working on a car, then you get done with it, maybe it has a different problem. I didn't do it. Wasn't me. I learned a long time ago, if the car is doing something it wasn't doing before you worked on it, it's probably something you did. Maybe you bumped the wire, you left the connector unplugged, something stupid. The sooner you can say, okay, what could I have messed up? What could I have touched? The quicker you can resolve the problem. Because we were paid on flat rate, meaning not by that time that we're clocked in the clock, but the quicker you can solve the problem, the more money you would make. So the more time you spent denying that you created the problem, the more money you're costing yourself. So. Watch him lose 3K trade. Hey, I mean, it's really no different than when we have a trend day and I refuse to go with the trend, right? No, it's gonna go. If I just admit, hey, I'm wrong, it's gonna trend, it'd be a lot easier on me. I make a lot more money. But no, I'm still a little bit stubborn at times. So this is a little dicey. I'm a little bit nervous because if I overstay my welcome, I don't want this to come back and have a loss. I think I'm just going to take it. I'll just take it. Take it. Yes, nonsense. Intel's that because the government's in it. I think XLK was the best performing sector today. Probably going to get lifted a little bit more tomorrow with Intel, I would guess. A good thing I got out. Look, decided not to overstay my welcome. Learn my lesson a little bit from these past few weeks. Oh. Hey, T Coop. So we had people bring cars in, or car get towed in. I just died. I don't know. It's out of gas. Did you ever look at the gas gauge? What's that? Gas gauge don't. It's not out of gas. It's not out of gas. Go put gas in it. It starts up, and then they're like, "No, there's something else wrong with it. You just saw me put gas in it. The gauge is on E. I put gas in the car. It now starts, but you think there's another problem with it." You know, sometimes you gotta just say, "Yeah, I didn't think about that." So we had that big push up so far this evening. Now we're kind of in a little consolidation up here near the highs from today. So what was that? 2 trades tonight on stream so far, and 2 trades, 2 wins so far. Knock on wood. Keeps up. I do think that ES is going to want the view out. View up on the ES is at 51. 5160. So that's only, it's not that far away. Where NASDAQ's VWAP's down at 74. A little bit further. Hmm. Intel will continue to go higher. It might. I wanted to buy Intel down around the 20s and I got scared. I didn't do it. I chickened out when it got down there. You're hoping to get a sign? Oh man, he had some puts. Nice. Hey Bob, I like selling. I love selling puts. Selling puts to get into a position. I love that. I think we're going to rotate down towards lower regression channel. But we do have oil coming back down at the moment too. So there's the Nikkei. Nikkei's rolling back a little bit. Look over here at crude oil. Crude oil is trying to pull back here a little bit. Looks like we have about 15 minutes until the HSI opens up. We'll see how that's going to open up tonight. Hey, Bob, you might be able to do it on one of the ETFs. Like one of the spot ETFs. You might be able to do it. So I'm saying one of the word like a million times. Palantir, let's go look at that. Hey Bob, are you selling it? You selling a credit spread? All right, let's make sure it wasn't a debit spread. Yeah, Palantir has kind of got that little rollover effect. Yeah, hey Bob, it's funny. I never even knew it was called a wheel strategy. Just something I used to trade. So when I traded, I didn't have no name for it or nothing. That's kind of funny. Man, that's so bad. So bad I want to go for that point of control. That car was crazy. Holy smokes. Car was crazy. Hey, Raj, was you able to get good premium on those puts today on car? Hey, Paul, I was just about to ask you, how can somebody own 108% of something? Oh, how's that even possible? So when we hit 220, nice. Hey, Bob, I was going to short it. I just didn't do it. I didn't do it. Hmm. Yeah, hey Raj, I'm with you. I'm not a fan of debit spreads. I've traded them in the past. I'd much rather sell a credit spread than buy a debit spread. Hey, white boy, what's up? What's up? Why? Because you still got to be right on direction and time with a debit spread. All you're doing is offsetting your cost. So you're buying it's the inverse of a credit spread. So a credit spread, you're selling the closer strike and buying one a little bit further out, however many strike prices out you decide. A debit spread, you're buying the closer option and selling out the further one. So it reduces the price that you pay for that option, but you kind of, it maxes out how much you can make on the trade. I'm not in a trade right now. I've taken two short trades. Both of them made money so far tonight. Constant slow grind downward than a crazy pop, maybe. Maybe. Where my mouse is charged at? I'm charging my headset just in case. So I knew a guy back in the day. The guy actually taught me how to trade credit spreads. He dang it, did I miss it? He got into the markets and he took $100,000 to $1.1 million in 3 months. And the funny part was, so he says, I figured out this stock market game. This is easy. So he put his house on the market to sell, had a new house being built. .com bubble comes and burst, and he lost all of his money in just a couple days, he said. All that money he made, poof. Now he has to move out of his house because he already sold it. He doesn't have the down payment, or he doesn't have the next payment for the construction loan. And he's in a pretty bad spot at that point. And he was basically selling cover calls. Strategy was cover calls. So the market was going up real hot. So he's just buying stocks and selling cover calls and making money. He had no way to protect the downside. So he's the one that made me a big believer. And once it gets assigned to you, buy a long-term put. So yeah, until up 24%. Yeah, I believe so too. But when does the bubble pop? That's the problem. We can scream, it's a bubble, it's a bubble, it's a bubble. But until someone goes, there you go, and pops it, doesn't matter what we say. Yeah, I found myself wanting to hit the sell button. Now look at how far away we are from the EMAs. If I get in here, even if I'm right and we go down, we're probably going to come back and visit the EMAs first. So held off on pushing the sell button. We do have the HSI opening up here in about 9 minutes. It's about 8 minutes. Irrational exuberance. So I really wish I would have been trading back during the .com bubble burst. You know, the big run up and then the pop into the bubble. I wish I would have been trading then. $93, and we had the VWAP at 76. Take a swing at that. Yeah, I'll show you the day we hit 6662 on the SPX. I went all in the day before that. I pushed the rest of my chips in. Pushed them all in. So I was like, uh-oh, I might have messed up here. Did it one day early. And it wasn't because I had any special insight. 27,103. Maybe. Took a swing short on this real quick. We'll see if it'll go down in my favor or not. You can see I didn't get the best feel, and I'm right down below the EMAs. Oh crap, you guys can't see that. Shoot. See, I'm down below the EMAs. Train late 90s, didn't know what you're doing. I mean, from what I've heard, all you do is buy a stock and poof. Sell in a couple days, make thousands of dollars. And just do it, rinse and repeat. From what I've heard from people I've talked to, they said it was so easy. But I didn't trade then. I remember looking at the charts when I got into the markets. I'm like, oh man, look at all that money I would have made on that move up. Man, that would have been so easy. So I didn't start trading until 05, June or July of 05. So. We have the HSI open up here in about 5 minutes. Don't know that I like this. I'm going to close it. I'm not going to take a big loss on that. Paid so much money. What do you mean by the chart? So it's kind of funny. So back in 05, the broker I was with, the one thing I could have on my chart was price and volume. Nothing else. There was no other indicators on my chart. So I remember reading books after I realized trading's a little bit harder than what I thought it was. And there's a book talking about the MACD indicator, yada, yada, yada. So I said, that's why I'm not making no money. That darn MACD indicator I can't put on my charts. The broker's trying to screw me. And so I bought Telecharts 2000. I think it's TC 2000 now. It had all these indicators plus MACD, RSI, some of their own custom indicators. And yeah, I still didn't make money. So it wasn't the indicators. Yeah, 08, I got my butt kicked in 08. I had like 14 or 16 months without losing a month. And then lost it all in one trade. One trade, I over leveraged. Superman effect came out, and the market took it all. Good thing I got out when I did. It was all myself. Hey, back then, Apple, we didn't have no sim accounts either. So it wasn't like you can just switch on Sim 101 and take some shots. Unfortunately. And there was no market replay, or at least I didn't know about it. I think Ninja Trader was just starting out, but I knew nothing about Ninja Trader. I remember there was a company that tried to, try to get me buy their programming software or something. It was on commodities. And I talked to a guy. He's like, yeah, we have a whatever success rate trading commodities. I was like, what's a commodity? I was like, what stock is that? Like, I didn't know at that point. So I had no idea. You don't know what you don't know. So it was pretty funny though. Pretty funny. I traded a bunch of penny stocks because, hey, that's all I can afford. I wonder if my mouse is really charged up or if it's dying. Let's see. All right, there we go. Charts quit moving? Nope, still moving. Hey, well, hopefully tomorrow morning we don't come in and Intel's down if you have those calls. Or you have that call. Hey, oil's back up $1.23. Hey, if you're in the money on the call, I mean, for me, what I would do, you got money on the table, you got to take it. I don't see Trump talking at the moment. So Nikkei is going back up. HSI looks like it's going to gap down if this is right. Because the HSI opened up here in about a minute and 10 seconds. I think Jesse said he's coming on. Oh, man, let's see if Jesse's on here. You can just text me. Let's see. Let's see what Jesse has to say. The man, the myth, the legend. All right, let's bring Jesse into the conversation. What's up? What's up?
What's up, everybody? Home from work, just had dinner, ready to rock. Is the market doing anything?
It's just been going up and up and up and up and up. Taking 3 trades, 1 very small loss, 2 wins.
Sweet.
So Nikkei did gap down, or not Nikkei, HSI just got down 153. Oil's up though, $1.28. Dow's down, Russell's down, but NASDAQ and S&P are up. Intel had a big move after earnings.
I'm just looking at the charts for the first time. I've been at work all day. Looks like a pretty nice sized gap and go.
Yeah. Hey Chris, how's it going? Good evening.
On NQ, how about ES? Okay, decent sized gap and go on ES too.
Hey Cheryl, I have 2 VWAPs. One that starts at 6 p.m. Then the other one that starts at 9:30 a.m. So I have 2 different VWAPs that I use.
Yeah, I've heard you talk about that before, but I didn't know you can, I guess you just set it in the indicator to regular trading hours instead of extended, or how do you do that?
Let's see. I've done it so long ago. Let me go see.
Oh yeah, it lets you pick the trading hours right on NinjaTrader's order flow VWAP right there.
Wow, that's kind of weird. I got 3 VWAPs on this chart. What's up with that?
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna.
So I got extra VWAP I don't even need. What the heck? Let me get rid of that. Let me see if the other chart's like that too. Okay,
oh, Bob says maybe you got one set to overnight only. I do remember you talking about that before.
No, 2 of them are exactly the same.
Really?
Yeah. I did it on that chart too.
I don't even know what's mine set to. Mine doesn't have a setting. It's just like here. Mine says when I click on it, it says trading hours, and it just says use data series settings. So mine's probably
I have that one. Then I have one that real time hours. RTH.
Gotcha. The RTH.
Yeah. Well, I had 2 set to RTH and 1 to use instrument setting or whatever. It was only on the ES. The ES only had 2 of them. I don't know why.
It's the CBOE US Index Futures RTH, right?
Ooh, let me see.
I think that's or is it the CME?
Oh,
I think it's CME. They're probably the same.
Oh, CME US Index Futures RTH.
Gotcha.
That's what I have. Hey, so the ES did come down to a VWAP. I was talking about. I thought the Nasdaq might come down to it as well. Look at the ES.
Yeah, Nasdaq's got a ways to go. ES tagged it. I'm looking.
Yeah.
Yep.
ES tagged it. NQ has a little ways to go. And oil's trying to go up here a little bit. Oil's trying to bust up and out. So.
All right, let me say hi to everybody I missed here. Chris, what's up, buddy? Sods, Raj, Spaces, Atomic. I think that's everybody who said hi. Sorry I missed you guys. What's up, Eric?
Hey, hey, Dan, I agree with you on that.
What'd Dan say? Hold on, let me read.
So breakaway gaps to the upside.
What the heck? Oh, there it is. It's up a ways. Gotcha.
Oh, yeah. Draft is on. Yeah, I watch the draft. I'll get mad.
The NFL draft? Is that what we're talking about?
I don't watch it. I get mad. They don't ever pick what I wanted to pick.
What's up, Eric? Oh, there's another Eric.
Yeah, Eric, I wasn't going to stream, but I was like, I'll stream tonight. I was kind of excited after last night. Then I don't stream. But. That ES might want that view app. Make sure real quick. Nikkei and HSI. Can that pull this down? Man, they're making me chase this thing. God, I just chased that sucker too. Got a horrible feel.
Love to see me trading silver tonight. No way. Oh, that was crazy.
Jesse is a silver pro.
Sure. I was so lucky to get out of that trade. Only read $100. Man.
So look, VWAP on the Nasdaq's at 78 right now. I'm just gonna front run it a little bit.
Dan, that's the Bookmap Market Pulse.
Yeah, it's correlated with the ES and Nasdaq right here. Oh, so Bob has 3 settings on his VWAP. Hey, Bob, I had 2 of my VWAPs exactly the same, though. So I don't just have the overnight. I have it when it starts overnight, all the way through the New York session, and then the New York session VWAP. Because I don't want the nighttime one to stop for me. I think if I was going to do a third VWAP, Bob, I'd probably do London Open. Maybe the Open at 6, London Open, New York Open, I think.
If it were me, I'd want an anchored VWAP, just the last couple hundred bars on my Renko chart. Like a floating anchored VWAP. Maybe I should code that.
You got anchor VWAP.
Yeah, but I'd have to keep moving it if I want it to be like a floating.
No, it keeps going from the point where you started.
No, I know. I don't want it to do that.
Oh.
So say I want it to only be the last 200 bars. I want it to keep moving. Like the start of it to keep moving forward too.
Oh.
It's probably just another one of those ideas that doesn't really work out.
That's what happens with most ideas.
I know.
He's like, oh, it's a great idea. You test it out, and they're like, wow, I wasted all that time.
Yep.
I found another thing that didn't work. That stinks. I was up on that trade too.
For me, really, the only things that have stuck are these. I like these ATR bands that I've got, and I like the regression channel. And the the 23.6.
Forget that 23.6.
Mike's favorite fib level.
I closed it. I looked over when you said regression channel. I looked. I'm like, yep, I'm short right there from the lower regression channel. Fantastic.
Oh, were you short from down there?
Yeah, look, we got a little gap on this 1 minute. Look at that gap on the 1 minute candle.
Yeah, I see that. There's no wick right there. I can't see that close. No.
Oh, there's a wick right here on this one. But I'm saying for that candle body to the open. There's no wick on this candle.
Yeah, how do you get a gap on a 1 minute? That's weird.
I mean,
I've seen it and heard of it before, but how does it physically happen?
Spreads in Asia sometimes. ES has one too, though. And oil's still up $1.45. What about Nikkei and stuff? Nikkei,
so that price range, essentially, if you looked at Bookmap, there were no orders for sale right there on those ticks, tick levels. Just jumped right over them. What is that gap?
HSI.
Oh boy.
Nikkei went up and I was trying to roll over a little bit. I still want to see that NASDAQ hit the VWAP. So ES hit it. Dow's down 70 right now. Let's go look at that real quick. We have. No, I want to do YM. Yeah, YM's below the VWAP. RTY also below the VWAP. We have ES and NASDAQ above it, but ES has hit the VWAP, where the NASDAQ has not. NASDAQ has not hit the VWAP yet. I still think it wants to. Question is, do we take out the high first? That's the $1 million question. We came all the way up to near session highs from the prior day, from earlier today. If you look right here on the 30-minute, here I marked it off candle body to the candle wick. Came right into it. Eric says he's short ES. Well, ES already hit the VWAP though, so I don't know. Half tempted on shorting this NASDAQ again, but I'm like, better to trade accounts with more buffer. More drawdown you have, the better off you'll be. More chance that you can survive longer without blowing up.
Yeah, I'm scared to trade, guys, after what happened to me last night and this morning. Holy smokes. I'm just sitting here looking at charts.
Yeah, accounts do cost a little bit more, but it's nice having that extra drawdown. I'm trying to figure out, does NASDAQ want to take out the high? Or can it come down?
That's true, Raj. For sure. The extra drawdown is nice to have, unless you start using it, unless you start relying on it, right? Because then it's the same as having a 50K account. So, like I've always said, if you have like a 150K account, but trade it like a 50K, that's the key. I don't know. I mean, on my 12.6 bars, I'm sure it looks similar on yours. It's like a series of lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. Feel like the rollover already happened here.
Went short again, like an idiot. I really want that VWAP touch. Yes, has that point of control above us. Hope that doesn't pull us up there to it. Keep an eye on crude oil too. Oh, Tampa on the clock. Oh boy, who we gonna pick? Uh-oh. You still there, Jesse?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know if I just clicked on something in there. I didn't know if I just booted you out.
No, I think I'm still here. Can you guys still hear me all right?
They said they can't hear you.
Oh yeah, they got me. Are you messing with me? Oh boy. I think I like your short.
I like it better if it's green.
I like it better if it had my size stop on it, because you might get tagged and then it'll drop.
Oh, you sent me an email, Bob? Let's see. So New York session.
All right, what was I in the middle of? Let's see.
Hey, but Bob, the Asia, isn't that the same thing as the daily? Oh, you have the Asia session stop. Hey, Bob, is your Asia session VWAP stop? It's hard for me to see in that picture if the lines stop at the bottom. Oh, let's come on down here. Let's get it. VWAP is at 78. See if we can just get on down there real quick. That'd be fantastic. 27,097. Yeah, VWAP at 78 right now. See if we can get down there. Can we get it? Can we do it? Oil's up $1.52. Gold's down 17. Yesterday you're up 300. Nice.
Hearing buyers here.
Hey, just turn down the volume, then we don't have to hear them. Yeah, hey Raj. Hopefully, I'll be out of the trade by then. Hopefully, if the Nasdaq goes down there, I'll be out. I'm gonna front run the VWAP. At least that's my goal. Good looking out. Don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button. Now notice we are coming back down towards the lower regression channel. Hopefully we can just slice through it. I don't think it's gonna be that easy though.
Well, the good news is when it's descending, is yours descending?
Yeah, a little bit.
The slice through is a little easier when it's descending.
Come on down. Come on down. Do it in 2 trades. I mean, it probably would be smart, but okay, I should have taken it. Should have taken it. I want to go see a Nikkei real quick. Nikkei's trying to turn around and go back up. Hope that HSI don't start going up too. That's gonna try to pull the Nasdaq up even more. Not good. No bueno.
No bueno.
I don't like the sound of that. Why don't you tell me not to take this trade?
I liked the trade. In fact, I'm getting ready to go.
I got
about
out.
ready.
I got out. You can have it.
I'm short.
I'm out. We switched. I mean, it would be from a better spot. You're near the upper regression channel, but
Yeah, I used the wrong ATM though, darn it.
I got out. I see the high of the day right up there. High of the day is
Yeah, shoot.
right up here at 135.75. Watch out. Yeah, YM has been the shorter one, but keep in mind, YM has not hit all-time highs yet. Maybe it gets dragged up there tomorrow. Yeah, it started off tonight good, too. Started off good. Now I'm in a little rough patch, but that's all right.
Uh-oh, we got some sporting equipment.
Can always count on Apple to be balls deep in the short with me.
What are you talking about, rough patch? You're up $482, it looks like.
Yeah, well, I just had a high water mark of 8 something.
Ah, you'll get that back.
I had like 3 losing trades back to back.
That's what happened to me last night, but they were big ones.
I had a good day today. I had some losses, but man, I had that one banger trade after the stream, and it's pretty happy.
Oh, I'm hearing buyers. Darn it.
Just gotta buy it.
It came back to my entry too. I should have got out for break even. Maybe I will. I'm not liking this so much anymore.
Maybe we'll get out for break even. You think it's gonna give you another shot?
If it gives me another shot. Famous last words.
Tight bull flag on the 15-minute chart.
Let me look at my 15-minute chart.
That's what I'm gonna do real quick. I want to see.
Yeah, I see it, but the only thing I don't like about that is the fact that we went up there, we tagged that second deviation band of VWAP, and now we're slowly kind of grinding down off of it. So it should want VWAP. I don't know.
Yeah, there's a bust a high first.
Probably.
I mean, we're already up 189 points since 4 o'clock.
If it goes back up to the high though, then it kind of negates the idea of coming down from that deviation band down to VWAP in my mind. So
well, you hit the deviation band, look, and you just went sideways.
Yeah.
So you worked off the momentum by going sideways. You can always work off momentum by either retracing or going sideways. Unfortunately, this time it went sideways. Or it's going sideways. Yeah, 5 minis waiting for a nasty NASDAQ. Huh.
What happened with the ATR during that move? Which move? Were we talking about something?
I think he's talking about this move right here. He was curious about the ATR.
Oh. Well, the ATR. Oh, it popped right up into the upper band, and then is trying to reject off of it right now. So the upper band is right here, 124.
Trying to wait to see if we bust through the high, then I'm gonna smack it.
Yeah, if it pops up through here, it's going to the second band. The second band is way up here at 138. So if it pops a little bit higher here, I'll just close the trade, wait till it gets up there, and then short it. I don't know, Bob. I don't really look at that.
What? Look at what?
The IR delta momentum. I don't look at it much anymore. I've just used its code to like help me out with other stuff, right? So I don't really watch it. I don't watch it itself, if that makes any sense.
So we're only about 12 points away from the high, 12, 13 points away from the high. Can we get one more pop through it? I hear the HSI trying to go back down. Nikkei is just not Not a whole lot going on.
Crude oil is kind of going sideways in its upper area here.
Yeah. All we need is one bad news article out about the Middle East. We're going right back down. Fill tonight's gap. Hey, typically we will fill a gap same night or within like 2 or 3 days. It's not gonna help going into the weekend though.
Hey, I'm green on my trade.
I thought you said you get out break even.
Oh, I forgot. We got busy talking.
He's like, oh, green. Oh, no, I'm good now. Yeah, we're going all the way down there.
Let's go fill that gap, baby.
Yeah. I just want the view app. View app now's at 80.
Yeah, Rapid. That's insane, right? I mean, the market's not making any sense.
That's why, because everybody's trying to short it.
Trust me, this morning, you guys, boy, good thing you're not flies on the wall in my house. I was cursing up a storm. Because I was short, taking on some heat and making stupid decisions, and the market just kept going up, and I was like, dude, what are these people doing? We're in the middle of a war, oil's up, market's ripping, like what is happening right now? Oh, I was pissed.
I remember back in the day, I used to listen to this radio show. The guy always talked about stocks on some AM station. My friend got me listening to. Market would be down. He's like, oh, it's gonna grind. I'd go full port into some shorts or some inverse ETFs. Get cooked. Next day it would just rip all the way back up. So all right, view app's at 80. I'm gonna try to front run it here a little bit. I'm back in it. Midterm elections pump. I'm telling you, I've told this story on the stream during the New York session. Normally in April, this market pumps because I've got my butt chewed up quite a few times on Costa Rica trips. A lot of times I'll go in April. I get pummeled the market. Beginning of April, it's down a little bit, and then I'm still short in my mind and come back from surfing. I'm like, what the F just happened there? Next day, same thing. Next day is like, oh my goodness. Trying to ruin my vacation here. Come on down, price is right.
What price is the ES at right here? Let me check. So ES is hanging out at about 155. Am I seeing that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm looking at the spot gamma trace for tomorrow. Just kind of all the open interest that was left over from today, and we're kind of in Never Never land here, so.
It's a Fugazi, it's a Fugazi, it's... Oh, man. Just need to come on down. I never wanted oil to go up so much in my life.
Yeah.
I was looking at spot gamma.
So on Spot Gamma's trace, at the end of the day, when the market closes, whatever's left on their heat map is the stuff that was not 0 DTE, if that makes sense. So what's cool about it is I can set it to 0 DTE after the market close, and then it's only going to show me the stuff that expires tomorrow. I think. I mean, I don't know the inner workings of it, but I believe that's how it works. And tonight, there's just nothing to really trade off of. So it's not helpful tonight. That's probably why the market's kind of sideways and slow. But sometimes...
What do you mean slow? We're up 185 points on the NASDAQ.
Well, that was just one rip. It's slow. This is slow. Look at this. I was pretty green on this, and I'm just letting it come back. Ay.
I'm down too.
Is Spot Gamma free? Use any stock or ETF? No. So Spot Gamma is not free. It's $300 a month. Actually, they have a sale right now. It's half off your first month. And they do have, I don't want to misspeak because I'm not an expert at it, but the trace is only for the SPX. But they've got their hero indicator, and I think that works on all the major stocks and indices, I believe.
Come on. You already did it to me. You're gonna bleed me dry with a bunch of paper cuts. Now HSI is still going down too. HSI's new session low. Crude oil is coming down a little bit. I'm gonna wait till we bust the high before I take another swing at it.
Yeah, probably not a bad idea. Here, let me zoom in and see what the hero indicator is doing. It's down. I mean, it's trying to go up right now, but it's down for the most part tonight.
I don't see any news coming through financial juice right now either.
So right now the ES is exactly $53. No, sorry. $23 above SPX. So
yeah, Trump's definitely trying to juice the markets up.
Is he?
Yeah. Hey Bob, have a good night. What time is it? Oh, 10 o'clock.
Is he talking right now?
No, but he's not doing crazy things at the moment.
Oh.
Well, if the market gets crashing, they have no chance of winning the midterms at all. They're gonna get smoked. I mean, they're probably gonna get smoked anyways, but Joker, it's gonna go down without me. You still in it?
Yeah, I'm up
Should be
$150 on it.
Are you in that account? Are you trading sim or are you trading a prop account?
No, I have a Lucid account now since I smoked my friggin' TPT this morning.
Smoked it.
I'm wondering if I should close this or is it gonna drop out of here?
If you close it, it'll drop. If you don't, it's going back up.
I'm closing it. I got 141.50 out of that. I'm happy with that. I keep bringing myself to this. Here, I can show you guys. I don't think that. Do you think there's a problem with me showing off spot gamma? I don't think so. Maybe.
I want to put you on.
I'm not on. Or yeah, you can't. Oh wait, I'm not shared yet. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
I'm not prepared, guys. Rookie over here.
I shorted the NASDAQ again.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm shared if you want to share my screen, and then let me turn off my...
I got you on.
Okay.
Or if you need to turn stuff off or whatever, just let me know. I turned you back off. Just let me know when you're ready.
No, I'm good. I'm going to bring over... what am I trying to do over here?
I got you back on.
Yeah, I'm going to bring down spot gamma if anybody's interested in what I was talking about a minute ago.
Well, tell me my trade's going to make money. Lots and lots of it.
Depends on if you take your profit when you got some profit.
No, I'm going to go for more.
Oh, boy.
Oh, yeah. Holy shoot.
Woo, there it goes. Let's go.
Hey, if you lapse at 80, View ops at 80.
I should have held it. Oh, I should have held it.
It's going right back up. Oh, it didn't even go up on that move. I'm kind of curious. It just size down 270 now. Okay.
Right. What's interesting is that drop just happened when in the options flow ripped up. So they're trying to suppress it. So here's my theory. Can everybody see my screen? Let me make the window.
Should be able to.
Let's see. Is that better? Does it all fit on the screen now?
You got a little extra.
I got a little more room. Let me pull it out and make it bigger. Let's make this thing bigger.
That's what she said.
This guy. All right, so what we're looking at here is the SPX. This is the spot gamma hero indicator and the price of SPX and ES all on one chart.
How did you zoom it up like that?
I don't know. I just zoomed it. Well, you got to change the time frame at the bottom if you want to see the hero moving, because it's so minimal at night that you got to zoom. You got to zoom way in to see what it's doing. So anyways, the green line is the real-time hedging impact of the options flow. And if we click over here on so what I was saying earlier is that I would expect that the market makers and dealers have their bots turned on to suppress price action tonight. So that means they're going to have to adjust their hedges. So if the market drops, they're going to buy. If the market rips, they're going to sell. And the reason I say that is because if we go over into Trace over here, this is their heat map. And if I turn it on to tomorrow's date, this is all the gamma exposure that was left over today. Well, if I put on this, it minimizes it. So we're roughly somewhere right in here, right? The SPX is, what's the price on SPX right now? I just, 122. So it's somewhere right in here. And so on their Trace product, the purple area is positive gamma exposure for the dealers, the market makers, which means suppressed price action. Okay. We get up into the red area, that's where they have to start going with the flow to adjust their hedging. So we're kind of right in the middle here, just kind of, I would expect us just to be range bound. Now, anything can happen. If Trump opens his mouth or missiles go flying, I mean, this is all off the table. But from a pure mechanic point of view, you know, the mechanics of the market tonight say sideways suppressed action. That's how I read into it. Let's see what the hero's doing now. Let me make it bigger by closing the sidebar and closing the bottom thing, and then I gotta zoom in again. Okay, so now, so on that drop, the hedging flow ripped a little bit, trying to suppress it. Now the hedging flow is dropping again. That's not a good sign. It could go another leg down. You still in your short, Mike?
Mm-hmm. I'm not up much on it though. I'm only up like $60.
So when this green line goes up like this, they're trying to suppress that down move. But if they can't do it, if they get overpowered by actual traders, the options players will give up and they'll start going short, and then the market will take another move down. So
yes, is trying to come back to a view up right now too. But NASDAQ has not yet.
So let's see if they give up in a big way, meaning if this green line starts to flush, the market's going to take another leg down. Now,
mine looks different than yours.
I added the ES to it, and I also made mine lines instead of bars, so I've done some customizations to it. And I'm zoomed way in, you know, with the time scale at the bottom.
Yeah. I just learned you could do the time scale zoom.
Yeah, so mine zoomed into every 2 minutes, I think, 2 or 3 minutes.
That's about where mine is. My lines just look different. Let's see if we get a little dumpy dump.
I would expect not, just based on the open interest that was left over from today that expires.
All right, you're off
tomorrow.
the show. Don't you talk bad about my trade.
But again, I mean, look, one missile goes flying and it's over with, so.
Just need they said Iran was out there laying some more mines today. Out in the Straits. So much for opening the Straits. We're gonna lay some more. It says some of them could be GPS guided.
Oh, geez. Mike Pryor. Yeah, I don't know the inner workings of it, Mike, but yeah, essentially what happens is, so anytime retail traders buy or sell options, the market makers on the other end of that, they immediately hedge it with futures, right? And so if they're on the other side of the trade, so the hero rips up, the market maker's on the other side of that trade, so they immediately do the opposite in the futures contract to hedge their position.
Yeah, I'm up 170 on this trade.
So that's what typically suppresses the price action, or sometimes they take the same position as the traders if they really start ripping the options. But again, if we go back over here to trace, I gotta switch to tomorrow's date. We're right here where we're in purple, which is like positive gamma exposure. So I don't have a ton of risk right now, anyways, tonight. All right, let me get that out of the way. Go back to a, what is this? The NQ chart. Yeah. There it goes.
I'm gonna put my chart on real quick.
And
I'm up 240. I'm up 245.
There you go. Let's get it.
I need more. VWAP is at 81.
So they gave up. The hero's dropping. Yeah, they gave up on it.
Yeah, I want to get out just in case. Just in case we bounce again far away from the EMAs. Hey, go show them the hero real quick.
Yeah, I'll show how that just happened.
I got you back on.
There we go.
Yeah, I've seen it on mine.
So right here, you guys see they tried to rip. So the options flow was trying to rip the market, or was trying to stop the market from flushing, right? They tried, they couldn't do it. They gave up and started going the opposite direction on the options flow. And therefore you got another flush in the market. So this tool by Spot Gamma is pretty powerful. Now, is it 100% right all the time? No, absolutely not. You know, so sometimes something crazy happens. Well, a lot of times something crazy happens.
All right, I'm gonna put my stuff back on real quick. We are below the low regression channel. We do have VWAP at 81. So watch this go down there. I'm gonna be upset because that could have got me back to session highs.
I really should have held that short. I got out of it for 141 bucks.
I'm still not back at session highs. So
Eric, no, that's the SPX options flow, but the NASDAQ and the ES and SPX and NDX are so closely correlated. I don't even watch the options flow on NDX, which is for NQ and the NASDAQ, because it's such light volume compared to SPX. So, but they're so correlated that if the ES is going to flush, the NQ is doing it too, right? So usually, not all the time, but it's close enough correlated for me. I just watch the options market on SPX and help it with my decision making. So I knew as soon as that hero would drop, if that dropped, we were going to get another flush down. I was talking about it, then it happened, and Mike got his, what was it, 300 bucks?
300, I think 310 or something.
There you go.
But I took a bunch of paper cuts before that, so I'm probably 150 off the session high tonight.
I don't think you were watching the hero. It was going up, 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 up.
I seen it. And, yeah, I didn't see it then, but when I seen when I was in the trade, I'll start to roll back over.
Yeah.
Look, it's gonna hit the friggin' VWAP at 81. I was
Oh.
gonna get out at 86. I was gonna front run at 86, I think, or 84.
Yeah, but you know how it works. Had you not gotten out, it would have went all the way back up.
I'm a little bummed out about that. I gotta be honest with you, I'm really bummed out.
Me too. I got out of my trade way up there. Hey, put your mouse up.
All right, full port long, baby. Full port. Let's do it. Gotta get long. If I go like 100 contracts long, I can just get 2 ticks and I get all that back. Make up the difference.
Eric, yes, the SPX is live. It trades all day, all night.
Hey, Raj, I'm with you on that. We got a little bit momentum going to the downside, but we are working on bar number 9 and we are below the lower regression channel, but we haven't hit the VWAP yet. So if we look over here, yeah,
oil dropping. Yeah, that's weird. Oil dropped at the same time our market. This is weird. Look at the oil chart, Mike.
Oh yeah.
It basically dropped at the same time NQ and ES did.
I was glad the NQ dropped, but I'm really upset. I could have got more money out of that.
Me too.
Hey, we're not talking about your trade.
Dude, let's talk about mine.
You're up. I feel like I'm down right now.
No, I'm only up 141. You're killing me.
I'm 150 off the highs of the session. So we're down.
Crushing me.
No, that's not how I'm looking at it. You're looking at it wrong. Did get 9 count down there. We haven't hit the VWAP yet. I'm not taking a swing long. Not gonna do it, I don't think.
No, me neither. And even if we do get to the VWAP, I gotta see the options flow start ripping before I get long. Because if that keeps dropping, then the price will too. So
maybe.
We're about to see.
Let's go see. Is the Nikkei at lunch yet, or at their lunchtime yet? No, Nikkei is still trading. I think they go lunch here in 15 minutes. HSI is trying to come back up here a little bit. HSI put the low in so far. Hey, BK, good evening.
Yeah, look at that. They're trying to grind it up, huh?
A little bit. I'd like to see a big, quick little flip up about 27,106, and I'll get short, maybe. It'll be right near the regression channel, too.
Take it down one more time, down to VWAP. Yeah, I agree with that.
That means it probably won't win then. If we both see the same thing, it won't work. It's too easy of a trade. It's a trap.
Yeah.
Hey, Pedro, what's up?
So what'd you say? 2106? That's the 38.2. Exactly. Pretty well. 103.
Let's see what it really is.
I'm just talking about the last half an hour, of course.
If you go from that swing, it's actually right between the 50 and 38. If I can get another $400 trade, I'd be pretty happy. $350 trade, $400 trade, I'd be loving it for tomorrow. Ready to dump on the 5-minute?
Okay, it's trying to push. Let's go.
Hey, where's your ATR cloud?
We're bouncing right out of the second lower cloud.
No, I mean the upper one.
The upper one's way up there. Way up there. 116 is where it starts.
It's all the way above the upper regression channel. Eric said long the ES.
Ooh, it missed the 38.2 by 1 tick. Oh, I was going to hit it too. Darn it. Maybe it'll go one more leg up. Oh, you're short?
Yeah, I hit it.
You got it.
Well, it doesn't mean it's gonna be good.
I thought you were waiting for 106.
That was just an idea. You know, my finger just like, wait, oh, a minute. This new mouse just overrides my thoughts.
When do we take a micro swing? If you're talking about looking for a big trade, you probably should wait till we get down to the bottom deviations of the VWAP.
I think if I wanted a big micro swing, would have been up here near the highs from the prior day. Right there.
It's too late for that one.
Now it is, yeah.
But if you're talking about lumps, if you're talking about going long, I wouldn't even, just me with a micro, there's not enough on the table unless we're way down.
Until Trump comes out and says we have a deal.
Yeah, and then it's all over, right? Oh, he says short. You got to wait for pretty big pullback. I don't know. What are you looking to target? Depends on what kind of money you're trying to make on a micro.
I like 27,000 ish. You can do an overnight down towards 27,000 ish. I'll show it after this trade. What I was looking at. Ooh, there's a 150. I said 350. I was like, wow, 150. That's pretty easy. I'm already there.
Dude, if you see 150, take it.
I did. I already saw 150. I'm not. I don't have it no more. It's not 150 anymore. It was. I'm hoping we can break right through this low. VWAP's at 81.97, so 82 we'll call it. I'm trying to get out of 83 something.
All right, the 5-minute rotation is worth $283 right now.
See, I got weight more than. No, there's 27,000 is could be an area if I wanted to do a micro trade, but I would have preferred to already be in it. I'll show that once I'm out of this trade.
Okay, another 5-minute bar just closed, and the ATR is still $283. You should be able to get it. The Hero's not ripping. They're not trying to suppress it right now on options, so it should go.
Yeah, I trade New York session every morning. I stream it on the main channel.
Bill's Nick, I like that name. Here, Mike's busy trading. I'll put a link to. Oh, I can't. I'm not a friggin'. I don't have a shield. Mike will put a link to the other channel here in a minute.
Well, I'm in a trade.
Let him get out of his trade. We'll link you. Everybody make sure you're subscribed over there.
Type in the chat, Jesse. I'll try to put your mod. I probably do that a little bit easier while I'm in this trade. And try to find a link.
All right.
All right. Oh, we gotta break this low. Break it, please, and thank you.
Yeah, let's go.
If we bounce here, I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna cry. Let's take it out. I'm almost back at session highs. Oh, dang! If I would have held another $50, it definitely would have been. Think. I know it. No, maybe I might have been at 900 or something. I can't remember now. I feel a little bit better about that. Let's go look at, here's what I was talking about on the NASDAQ. So on the NASDAQ, you make the case that maybe we come down right here. So really about 26,970 for a retracement back down. If we were to pull a fib from the low today up here to this high, that would be right around the 38% retracement of that entire move up from the lows today.
Hero's dipping down. I wonder if they're trying to get it to hit the VWAP, I think. What's ES doing? Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Junk got the VWAP without me.
I saw the hedging impact of the real-time options. Call that move. I wish I was in it.
Oh, there's the VWAP I was trying for so many times tonight. I got some of it, but like I said, I'm not at session highs, so that's all right. We'll see if they can just bring it on down.
Bring it on down.
Do. Timber. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. If you guys haven't yet. Crude oil is coming down too. Crude oil is only up 88 cents. USD bouncing. We have Dow down 121, ES up 421, NASDAQ up 150, and they're also down 10. Hey, do we bounce off the VWAP? We basically hit VWAP. Do we get a little bouncy bounce back up? Who's feeling brave?
Options flow is still down. I'm not brave enough to trade against that right now.
All right, I'll take a swing.
The balls on this guy.
Not yet. Thinking about it. I like the delta. We got delta divergence right now.
Hey, I'm looking over at my ES chart. It's got to be close to that second deviation down, right?
No, first.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
If you look on the ES chart right here, here it is. We just had the first deviation band right there.
Gotcha. Here, let me turn mine on and see where we're at. See, mine's a little different. Mine's past the first deviation. I wonder why
you got yours on the Renko.
No, mine's on my 15-minute chart.
On 5 minute.
No.
All right.
I don't have the real estate.
You can just change the chart real quick.
Hey, here's the other thing. Look, we're coming up on that spot gamma level, that QQQ volume trigger.
Oh yeah.
Interesting. I mean, QQQ doesn't trade at night, so I don't know how relevant that really is. We're about to find out.
I don't know. I have some sports equipment long.
I mean, how many contracts is sports equipment?
Just 10. 10 micros equivalent.
I mean, you're only going for a small scalp, right?
Or maybe a little bit bigger. Might go for $400. Just kidding.
You're going against all the regression channels, the momentum, everything.
Yeah, but we're way below the low regression channel. We're stretched away from the EMA, so I want to give it a shot. Oh, now we're oversold too. Son of a biscuit.
Oh, did you get your oversold?
Yeah, but I was looking down here at the delta momentum as we were pushed away from the EMAs. So I was like, oh, we might get a little pop here.
Throw a soccer ball in there.
I'm not doing that.
A football?
No.
A basketball?
No.
A baseball?
Maybe a ping pong.
Look at Apple, all-time highs, baby. Let's go.
I kind of just want out now.
I'm gonna go long on the ES. I'm long on ES right here because
yeah, 9 count. You have a 9 count in the ES.
Oh, do I?
Hey, we're working on bar. Oh, we got a 9 count on the NASDAQ too.
Sweet. Yeah, I love the ES. Just tagged my lower regression channel, and my bars are still ascending over on the ES. So I'm good with this.
Let's go. Give me a hundo.
It's green. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna move my target up. Actually, I'm gonna front run VWAP on ES.
Hey, Trader University, what's up?
I'll let that play out for the next 3 hours. Oh, man.
3 hours later. Come on, just hit it. If I end up making my target on this.
So just so you know, everybody knows the potential P&L per minute for NQ right now is $117.
I'm only trying to make 100.
Silver is $389.
All right, silver it is. Full port. Max contracts. There we go. I think I'm at session highs now. I think I'm
There
at
you
session
go.
highs.
Nice.
I did jump in early though, but I was looking right down here. You can see the big delta dump. And then as we were pushing down, the delta was non-existent. We're getting stretched away from the EMAs, and then like, uh-oh. We get in and we dump it a little bit lower. Then we get oversold. See the green background, we get oversold, and then should have waited. Should have waited till at least the green, but shoulda, coulda, woulda.
So for my ES trade, I'm liking it as far as structure goes, but I'm not seeing any kind of options flow that backs up my thesis here. So I'm a little nervous. And crude's still trying to come down, so this might work out for me.
Oh, Raj talking about gold. Gold's down 25 right now. I don't know. I'd be interested in gold, see what happens down here. We're almost in that zone. Not quite there yet. Candle wick to the candle body. See what happens if and when we get down there. It stretched a little bit. You just need a big dump. Just get it. Let me get in and just dump. I think we go back and fill a gap from tonight. Look at the ES on that gap. All right, look, here's the gap on the ES. If we were to mark it off, it'd really be from the bottom of that candle to there. Look, ES is almost getting into the gap. So if the ES is going to fill the gap, what does that mean for the NASDAQ?
Here's the buyers. I heard them. Come on, give me some follow through on this trade, please.
You're still in it?
Yeah, I'm up $50. Oh, 37.
Should have taken it.
$50? Come on.
Roger's saying gold's ready to bounce. So if gold's going to bounce, silver will probably bounce, Jesse. I hear silver calling your name.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Come on, we need some entertainment.
All right, I'm up 62.50. Let's go, ES.
What's your target on the ES?
I'm just front running VWAP. I just put it at a random spot at 151.
Oh.
I actually might move it down to the middle of the in fact, you know what? I am going to do that. I'm going to move it down to the median price on the 5-minute chart, which is 149.75.
Like Pryor says, I feel like gold's a little bit early, but F it, I'm long.
Come on, ES. They're trying to get it. Let's go. Ooh, I got the purple arrow long on NQ.
I'd like to get one more trade. You get me to 1K. But I feel like I'm just trading the P&L. That's gonna end up bad.
Yeah. Don't do it then. Wait. Just sit it out. Oh, no follow through. Come on, guys. Push. Feel like I should take my 125 on this ES trade.
Oil's only up 74.
Actually,
Gold is bouncing.
Move my target.
I said gold target 47.06.
I'm at 149. Come on, one more little push. Come on.
I'm gonna try to get back some money real quick.
On gold?
No. I was like,
GC's giving up $255 per minute there, Raj. Not bad. It's moving tonight.
I'm not gonna give this NASDAQ a whole lot of room.
I should just take this 125, shouldn't I?
If you take it, you know what's gonna happen.
Well, yeah, but oh shoot,
And
I
if you
should have.
don't, if you don't take it, you know what's gonna happen.
I know. Damned if I do, damned if I don't.
Hey Raj, we gotta get you set up where you can come on here and share your chart sometime.
Discord, F Discord. That place is a mess. Full of scams. I can't tell you how many people message me on there all the time, constantly with screenshots of other people pretending to be me. Ridiculous.
I had a guy tell me, act like he was Whelan, Patrick Whelan, and he was good. He was good. I don't know. He's trying to sell me something or something like that. I was like, bro, we'll just talk about it. I told you I'm on the way to your house. I just got off the phone with you. Why are you blowing me up on Discord? He's like, and he just shut up after that. Didn't say nothing else. So I'll be there like just like 30 minutes or something.
That's funny.
Oh boy. So we get a little more rejection right there, and we're not getting it, so I'm out. I'm not. I told you, so wasn't gonna give a whole lot. Bounce off the VWAP, maybe we go right back up. Hey, Chris, see you later.
See you, Chris.
Yeah, now I need one more trade. Well, I need one more good trade. Let's be clear on that.
Yeah.
I think they're getting ready to pull this bad boy down.
Not just one more trade, one more good trade.
Sucker. I got out and asked God, let me back in. It just sat there on my order. Didn't want to take it.
Yeah, I had $137 I saw up there too.
I was trying to get short again.
Oh.
Why didn't it fill the spy gap and then dumped?
Let's get one more leg up.
But as long as I'm not short, we can get one more leg up. If I'm short, you just got to sacrifice your trade.
Yeah. Come on, ES. Get up there to VWAP. I'm going to move my target to here.
Oh, hey, Rapid, we're going to do another one tomorrow. Got 2 more accounts we're going to give away tomorrow on the New York stream. Yeah, I've been trading my Pretty. Well, I blew up my first Pretty account. I blew that one up last week, and I bought 3 more on Sunday before the market opened. Well, let's go see real quick. Nikkei was still coming down. HSI is still trying to go up here a little bit.
Rapid, no, earlier today on the main channel, he did the giveaways.
I'm gonna do one tomorrow too.
Yeah, nothing tonight, bud.
And Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're seeing a fast dump right now. Just gap all the way past my order, like 100 points past my order. Give me some massive slippage, 100-point slippage.
Well, can I maybe get out of my long first?
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot.
I should have closed it. I think I saw $140 or something like that. Darn it.
Yeah, Eric, I do got a robotic pool cleaner, but I can't use it yet. I got it manually. Oh crap! I forgot to scrub the pool today. Uh-oh. I knew I was forgetting something. I'll have to do it when we're off the stream.
Little late night pool scrubbing.
Yeah. Midnight pool scrub. Stop filled. Oh, I hate that. I like hearing target filled.
I like the stop filled if it's a trailing stop.
I can't remember the Apier something, top of line Apier one they had. So it's battery powered.
Is that the one that automatically returns to its home to charge every night?
I can't remember. Like I
or
bought
every day?
I bought it like around Christmas, thinking the pool's almost done, and so I don't really remember now. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Get it. You don't even have to go all the way to my target. Just go down enough to where I want to get out. But hey, so I need NASDAQ to go down, ES to go up. There we go.
That's rare.
I keep forgetting. Oh, shit, I took my $90. I was up.
I should have taken my 137.
Are you still green?
Slightly. $37. Not anymore.
I was gonna make a deal. We'll just both get out, and we'll at least both be positive.
My lordy.
Batteries don't last 1 year max. Hopefully that's not the case. We'll find out.
There's one out there that has it charges solar. So it comes up to right above the water level, and it's got a solar panel on the top of it, and it charges all day.
I was gonna buy a dolphin one. Woo! All right, I'm out.
You're out?
Out. Rip. Go up.
Yeah, rip. Give you a ripper.
I'm good.
She's a ripper.
I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore. I think I'm just gonna watch and be entertained by you. Because this puts me in a good spot for tomorrow morning.
All right, good.
So now I'm green. So I don't want a down day on a Friday. I hate down Fridays. Hold till 27K.
Don't trade the pre-market. In fact, come into work a little late.
All right, I'll show up at 4:00. All right, guys, I'm ready to. Oh crap, market's closed. Well, no losing trades today. Oh, I hear your ice cream truck.
Oh yeah, you can hear that?
I don't know if they can hear it or not.
That's funny. That's like all the way on the other side of the house, way out on the front road.
I think about Big Perm.
Yeah, big worm.
That's funny. Apple saying hold till 27K.
Ooh.
I like the way he's thinking. I do think there's a good shot we're going down to 979, 26,979. That 27K would be a viable target. Just how long is it going to take to get down there?
Hope I can get out of this ES trade before that happens.
All you have to do is hit close.
Well, sure, but I mean, I'd like to get out with a little bit of money.
Don't you always tell me take profit when you have it?
Yeah, I should have.
It's a lot easier when you're not the one in the trade.
Uh-huh.
It sucks when you see 150, then you see 125. I'm like, if it goes back up to 150, I'll get out.
Mm-hmm. Then it drops down to 112.25 or whatever, and then it's down to 87.25.
And then you go right, like, all right, if it just gets back to break even, I'll get out.
Now I'm at $12, and I'm like, gosh.
Hey, break even trade's not bad. I mean, the ES is probably going to fill the gap. Just keep that in the back of your mind. Hey, so the gap fill on the ES would take us all the way down to 71.32. Right here, the closing price today, 71.32. Now, maybe we bounced before that, but this could be a nasty ABC pattern down too. Now I'm looking at it. Holy crap. That target would be all the way down here, 7,058.
Wow.
Wow, that'd be pretty massive. Oh, you're back up.
Yeah. 62.50. What are you trading? We're trading NQ and ES. I usually don't mess around with the ES at night because it's too slow, but I saw a pretty nice setup and I was willing to just kind of let it ride for a few hours.
HSI is trying to get in that gap. DK's at lunch. AES could have a little double bottom right there. Hey, a little bit of optimism here. If this is going to be a double bottom, potential is 71.52, and you said VWAP right now is at 71.51.86. I have. Explain the nasty ABC pattern. That'd be something like this. So ABC pattern, you're looking for a measured move. So since we already had this impulse leg on the way down right here, that's the impulse leg. Now I do have to double check something real quick because when I was first looking at it, I was looking at the candle bodies. Yeah, we came right to the 786. So if we go above the 786 retracement, I'm not really that excited about it. Usually I'll cancel it out, but this is just wicked above it. Now the pattern is not truly validated until we break here, but what we're saying is we assume that if we just move this far on that leg, that after the retracement, this leg right here, we resume that move. So that would be something like this. So if we resume that move, just draw that arrow right there and you see it completes right down there. And we do have an untested point of control at 7,069. So we'll see if we make it down there or not. We may not. Long BTC. Let's go look at Bitcoin.
Good night, Sods.
Yeah, good night, Sods. Bitcoin's trying to pop up.
Ooh, I'm hearing buyers on Bookmap. Let's go, baby. Come on, ES. All right, I'm up 62.50. Oh, $50.
It's funny the tone in your voice just for $12.50 difference. I'm up 62.50. Oh, $50. I mean, does $12 really make that big of a difference? If you think about it, like in normal everyday life, is $12 really a big thing?
No, not really. But when it's funny what happens when you're already up $150 on a trade.
I know.
And now you're debating the difference between $62.50 and $50.
I mean, if you would have listened to your voice, it was pretty funny. Woo, $62.50. Oh, $50. Yeah, drafts going on. That makes the market a little bit slower. Less participants.
Really?
People watching the draft, not trading.
I feel like there's no crossover between NFL and...
Yeah, they try to trade during the Super Bowl. I do it every year. I see I'm not going to do it. I do it. The market's just not moving anywhere. So I'm just stuck in a trade the whole Super Bowl. So I'm watching TV, watching the market. I got my laptop out on the table as I'm watching Super Bowl.
That's interesting.
The target what I set for GC. Let's look at. Are you looking at GC long or GC short? GC short. Because we have this zone down here below us that I do think we come into. We're almost there right now. So 46.94 all the way down to 46.80. I think we're going to come back and visit that area. And then we'll see, do we get a rejection out of that area or do we flush lower? Uh-oh. I shouldn't have said the L word. Oh, I said the L word. Sorry for your trade. I said lower. It's like lower. Hey, someone said lower?
I should have taken that 62.50.
Or even $50. Hey, at least at 12.50 yet?
No, it's negative $25.
It looks like it's gonna break. If you look now that now it's like a triple bottom. Usually triple bottoms bust. It's gonna be a continuation down.
Yeah, probably so.
Like if you weren't in the trade, I'd probably fade it and short it. Like,
well, do it.
No, I feel bad rooting against your trade.
No, that's fine.
Nah, plus I'm over 1,000. I don't want to.
I don't want to. Sim.
No, if I switch to sim, I'll do like 1,000 contracts.
No, don't do that.
I'll go into sim and realize, oh crap, that's my leader account for the props.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, that'd be funny. Be funny, but not. Oh, we just get a flush down, man. Let's just flush it down. Or after you're out.
Yeah.
After you're out, let's just get a flush down. Let's bounce up. Let Jesse get out for break even. And then resume the flush. In all reality, hey, that NASDAQ is consolidating at the VWAP too, Jesse.
Yeah.
I'm not liking your trade.
Yeah, me neither. It's gonna tag me. How much is my stop? $175. So that the good news is on ES I use a tighter stop. So.
Trump tweet in. Yeah, Trump comes out. You gotta watch out for the middle of the night. You never know when Trump's gonna be Trump to deliver remarks at Florida crypto conference Saturday. NASDAQ back to the opening price tonight. So NASDAQ's starting. Oh, that's the ES. I'm sorry. ES back to opening price.
Yeah, I'm trying to eyeball a. An
We're probably gonna fill the gap. Are you trying to go long? Yeah, they're both gonna fill the gap. I would assume. ES is closer than the NASDAQ, but I would assume we're gonna fill the gaps from tonight. Every platform we can put stop, or Ninja Trading put stops on futures. Maybe not on stocks. If you're trying to do stocks, you can't do stops after hours. You have to have limit order, maybe a sell stop or sell limit, but not a market order.
So that's an interesting question and point. I guess I never tried that back when I used to trade stocks.
Well, because there's such low liquidity and the spreads are so big, so they make you put a limit price in.
That's dangerous too, though. What if it jumps past you?
Then you're not filled.
Yeah.
That's just a risk, and they have a big risk disclaimer on there.
Oh, that's right. I remember that.
Yeah, I just did it. So I had the S&P down by that Sunday night. I happened to get out of it though. If you look at the SPY, just got out of it too the other day, but so SPY on the.
So ES is a lot closer to closing that gap than the NQ is.
Yeah, but it's probably gonna go down. Look, Dow's down 161, Russell's down 13. NASDAQ's the only one in the green right now. Even the ES is down 2 points.
Interesting.
But I was in all the way down here. I got in after hours, or Sunday night at 8 p.m. I got in. I think it let me in. And I rode that sucker all the way up and got out somewhere up in here. I think I got out at 7:06. That was a pretty good little move I got. And it really stinks because I only had part of my position on there. I was hoping it was going to go a little bit lower and get the rest of it, and didn't go down. So I got the move with a small piece of a position on. But I'm hoping it comes back down so I can get back in it.
Mike, you're up $1,000.
Yeah.
There you go. For anybody who ever asks, why the heck do you guys trade Asia? There you go, $1,000.
That's why I told you. That's why I didn't want to take the other trade again. I said I wanted to short it. I'm like, I'm over the 1,000. That puts me in a good spot for tomorrow morning. Fridays, I don't ever want to down Friday. I hate down Fridays. It ruins my weekend.
Yeah, just don't trade tomorrow. You got $1,000.
Nah, I gotta trade tomorrow. I trade every day. I have to place at least one trade. Even while I'm in Costa Rica, I'll at least place one trade every single day. Now, I'm going to look at higher time frames when I'm in Costa Rica a little bit, other than when we're on stream, but I don't know what time we're going to be on stream. It's going to be some wild times.
That value area on the volume profile from today is like friggin' crazy. It's like a big solid block.
On the ES or NASDAQ?
On NQ. I mean, I only see maybe 1, 2, 3 minus development areas. It's like a big block.
No, we have quite a bit. Little one right there, right there. Not so much
bigger
there.
Ones.
Yeah. Here. Yeah, you got a decent area right here. But I mean, we had a lot of congestion in there, just a lot of back and forth.
Yeah.
And then it ripped down, then whoop, right back up. I couldn't believe it. I was in the pool and I see my watch go off. I'm like, there's no way that hit my target. I was like, holy crap. Okay, I got a towel, came running in. I'm like, I can't believe it. I was so excited. That made my day.
That was a big trade.
Yeah. Hey, look, we're coming up on the low of the day on the ES. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's bam, smack it. Smack it. Hardest easy money you ever make. Facts.
Mm-hmm.
It's easy because all you gotta do is click a mouse. It's hard knowing which button to click at what time.
Uh-huh.
But if you think about it, if someone said that you could be a millionaire, all you gotta do is click one of these two buttons every single day.
Mm-hmm.
You'd be like, oh man, I'm gonna be a millionaire. And then you're like, why is this so hard? There's only two options. How hard could this really be?
Mm-hmm.
It's not like you have 10,000 options to choose from. Yeah, I'm gonna get the unlimited plan, T-Coop. Hey, which this time I'll actually have a room. So at the surf camp, there's not a TV in the room even. So this time, because I have my laptop, I can have some TV with the Starlink, put some Netflix on and chill. Which I'll probably be on stream anyways, so. Your epic trade. Oh, we're trying to come back up.
Let's go.
What price are you in at?
I don't even remember. I'm just watching my positions tab. I'm right clicked already and I'm about to hit flatten everything.
What are you in?
Well, remember how the brain tries to work around the rules?
Oh boy.
I had to use the NQ to hedge, or not hedge, but to help out my
to add to position.
Yeah. So as soon as I see it break even, I'm hitting flatten everything. I'm not even gonna mess around, because especially with all this talk about, you guys are all talking about all this gap fills. I don't want to be long. I'm out. I'm out.
Hey, so when you said woohoo 62.50, you said, oh, $50. $50 sounds pretty good right now, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It's kind of funny how that works.
Uh-huh. Oh, come on.
Hey, it's just like when you first get down on a trade, like, oh man, I'm down $500. You keep moving your stop and whatnot. The next thing you know, you're down 1,000. Like, oh crap, $1,000. Then you're down 1,500. You're like, oh man, if I could just get back to $500, I'd be happy. Give me down $500.
And then it gets to 1,800. Then the mind shifts. Then it's like, there's no way I can take a loss that big. Let me just close the stop.
Yeah, but when it starts coming back, you're like, oh, so if you're at down 1,800 and then it moves to where you're only down 1,000, you're like, oh, I'm only down 1,000 now. But when you're down 1,000, you're like, oh, this sucks. But now that you've seen worse, it's like, ah, 1,000's pretty good. I'm feeling pretty good about this.
I can get that back tomorrow.
Not that I'm going to get out at 1,000, but I'm going to still hope it's going to keep going. But I feel a little bit better now.
Oh man.
But when you're first down 1,000, you're like, oh man, this sucks. Oh boy, I messed up here. I'll never do this again. Just let me out.
That was me last night. I was the giraffe for sure.
It sucks, man. It's funny how one bad decision can wreck your account. One.
Yeah. The trade I was in last night and this morning's trades all gave me plenty of opportunities to get out in the green. Never did it.
Yeah.
Silly.
Hey, I still think that as much as you hate the intraday drawdown, because you're so scared of it, you're quick to take your profits and it was better for you.
Yeah.
And then once you got over, you're like, I don't have intraday drawdown. Let's let it go.
Yeah, and look what that led to.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes the things that we hate or we think we hate are actually good for us.
Yeah.
In a sense. How high ARM's gone? I haven't looked at ARM in quite a while. Oh, wow. Jeez. And a lot of these stocks are really ripped. Oh man, gold took a little bit more lower down. I think gold got my zone. It did. Gold got into that zone I drew out.
Really?
Yeah, I want to see if it gets a rejection out of it or not. I still think gold wants to go down a little bit lower. I don't think it's done. We still have a high, lower high, lower high, low, lower low. I think gold might want to go lower. Down to like 4,000-ish, 3,900, 3,800, something like that. Yeah, SanDisk, Micron. Lost 30K live a year ago. Yeah, I've had a $30,000 loss. It's not fun. Not fun at all. Bad day. Bad day.
I've had a bigger loss than that, but it was all prop firm money, you know.
No,
I mean, it's still real money, but still.
Yeah, it's a little bit easier to.
Little easier to stomach it, yeah.
Yeah, when you're working your butt off, you count. Oh yeah, doing good, and then bam. Like wow, that sucked.
I
remember I was gonna get a new vehicle one time. I was like, I'm just gonna wait another week or so. Freaking lost it.
Oh.
I was like, oh, and then I lost a little bit more. And it was like, slippery slope. It's like I should have just took the money out.
Should have just bought that vehicle.
Yeah. But
dang, dude, it's already 11 o'clock your time, huh?
Oh yeah, crap! I didn't realize that.
It's getting late. You got to scrub the pool. I'm up. We can go whenever.
I want to see how your trade's gonna work out.
Oh yeah, it's down.
I'm in suspense.
It's down $125. I'm getting ready to just cancel it anyways.
I was just thinking if we add, another 20 contracts each side, we'll be good.
No. I mean, basically, I had that winner earlier, so I'm kind of break even. I'm up $13 on the night if I close it right now.
You might get a little bit more of a bounce here.
Yeah, I'm trying to. That's what I'm trying.
Hey, so on the ES, if you look at this down candle right here on the 1 minute, we came up over 50% of that candle, so there's a good shot we go to the top of that candle body. That'll be 44. It's not much more, but it's another $50.
Oh, here we go. Hold on, I'm getting ready to click on it.
Jesse's like, move the targets up. I'm gonna move them up.
No. I ain't messing around this time.
Why not?
Nope, can't do it.
Wait, hold on, just wait a second. Let the momentum die out a little bit.
I'm break even right now. I want to flatten.
But look, you got a little bit more.
Look. Oh! I'm up. All right, flattening now.
There you go.
Woo, that was stressful. Okay, I'm up 159.50 on the night.
So before that trade, you're up 150. So you made $9.
Jeez.
Hey, but look, look.
No, I was up. I think it was 138, wasn't it? I don't know. Whatever.
Well, either way, so it's a good thing if you go back in and watch the stream when you said woohoo, $62. Oh, yeah. $50. Hey, and then you're like, yes, whatever you just made.
Taking $9.
It's funny how what we're happy about in a trade can change, depending on how bad or how good the trade was before we got out.
Yeah,
it's just the emotions of trading.
It's crazy.
I mean, we all go through it. Anybody that trades goes through it.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's funny about it. It's funnier listening to somebody else go through it than when you do it, but we all do it. That's what I've been doing lately. I like up and it comes back on me a little bit. Nah, I want to get all the way back down there and then stopped out. And you're like, Mike, why don't you just take it? I don't know. I'm dumb. I was wanting more. I got greedy. Like it is what it is. So it's all good though.
All good. I mean, starting tomorrow with $159. That's better than nothing.
I like it. And by the end of the day, I'm sure you'll make like 20 grand.
No. I'm not going to push this account hard at all.
The draft video? All right, here, let me find the draft video. You guys got to watch it. If you haven't seen the draft video, it is hilarious. If you ever had a hard time trading. Oh, man, I love that video.
And if there is anybody new hanging out, say hi. Make sure you go check out Mike's main channel. Here's the link to that. He streams every morning. Subscribe over there.
There's the draft video. You gotta check out the draft video. If you've ever had a bad day, that draft video will put a smile on your face in trading. If you've ever lost money trading, that's a pretty funny video. Uh-oh.
Yeah, gonna see my mindset in 3, 2, 1, click.
Hey,
John,
what's up?
John says it's the silver's looking good for your last trade of the night. Yeah, sure. not mine.
Yeah, what could go wrong with that? Good old silver trade. Hey, Randall Paul, trader, what's up? Yeah, we're getting ready to jump off now. I'm not going to trade anymore until the morning on the main channel. I'm done. Jesse just got out of a stressful trade.
Good exit there, huh? Jeez.
Hey, look, let's see if we hit that candle body. I don't know if we did. We might have missed it by a tick or two.
I'm glad I got out of that.
Yeah, we did. Missed it by about 1 or 2 ticks.
Glad I took my $9.
I told you I think we're going to fill that gap. I really do.
Might be going there.
I'm not going to get none of it. That's fine. I'm good. Don't be greedy. The greedy become the needy. So let's not be greedy here. All right, guys and gals. With that being said, I'm going to jump off. Hopefully, you guys will join me on the main stream or the main channel tomorrow. With that being said, take care. Have a good night. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.